How will you pronounce this sound? This is O sound. How will you produce the O sound? First of all, lower your jaw, then round your both lips like saying O. Pull back your back part of the tongue and then produce the continuous sound like O. The long sound O in word jaw, flow, draw, so. The long sound O in word boat, the second form of verb buy, in thought, the second form of the verb think, in taught, the second form of the verb teach, the long sound O in word horse, the long sound in word more and also for, the long sound in word like water, walk, talk, wall, call, fall, in always, in awesome, in August. Follow for more videos.